Hello, I am Dr. Swastik and I welcome you to this crash course on ancient history. We are comprehensively covering the portion of ancient history demanded for UPSC, state PSCs, and other competitive exams. In this course, we will cover Stone Age, Indus Valley Civilization, Vedic Civilization, Buddhism and Jainism, Mauryan period, Gupta period, and post Gupta period. In the previous lesson, we have discussed the Vedic civilization. In this lesson, we will discuss Buddhism and Jainism. In the post Vedic period, various religious movements were born and grew up. In this lesson, we will discuss the origin of Buddhism and Jainism, life of Buddha, doctrines of Buddhism, Buddhist literature, sects of Buddhism, Buddhist council, Buddhism, reasons for decline, Mahavira, doctrine of Jainism, sects of Jainism, and Jain council. So, little bit about me. You can follow me on social media platforms. Links are below in the description. So, let's start. So, coming to the origin of Buddhism and Jainism are the Vedic philosophy had lost its original purity. It had degenerated into superstitions, dogmas, and rituals. The supremacy of the Brahmins created unrest in the society and the Kshatriyas reacted. Rise of new agricultural economy demanded animal husbandry. In early Vedic practice, the animals were sacrificed. The desire of Vaishyas to improve their social position due to growth of trade. Coming to Buddhism, Buddha was born as Siddhartha in 563 BC on Vaishakha Purnima at Lumbini Bana near Kapilavastu, Nepal, in Shakya Kshatriya clan. His father was of Shakya clan who ruled from Kapilavastu in the Kosala kingdom. His mother was princess of Kosala dynasty, gave birth and died 7 days after his birth. Thus, Siddhartha was raised by his stepmother Gautami. He was married to Yashodhara at the age of 16 and had a son named Rahul. An old man, a diseased person, a dead body, an ascetic proved to be a turning point in his career. At the age of 29, he renounced home or Mahavinishkramana or great going forth. At the age of 35, under a peepal tree at Bodh Gaya on the bank of river Niranjan, he attained nirvana or enlightenment after 49 days of continuous meditation and came to known as the Buddha or the enlightened one. Buddha delivered his first sermon in a deer park at Sarnath to his 5 disciples known as Dhammachakra Pravartana or turning the wheel of Dharma. He finally attained parinirvana at the age of 80 in 483 BC in Kushinara. Ariya Sachni or Four Noble Truths is the essence of Buddhism. They are Dukkha, life is full of sorrow; Samudaya, there are causes of sorrow; Nirodha, this sorrow can be stopped; Ashtangika Marga or Eightfold Path, there is a path leading to cessation of sorrow that lead to end of suffering. His teachings contain 3 important pillars known as Three Ratna or three jewels of Buddhism: Buddha, founder or teacher; Dharma, his teachings; Sangha, order of Buddhist monks and nuns. Coming to Buddhist literature, Tripitaka, three means three and Pitaka means basket. Tripitaka was written in Pali text. It comprises of 3 books: Vinaya Pitaka, Sutta Pitaka and Abhidhamma Pitaka. Vinaya Pitaka is the disciplinary code, Sutta Pitaka contains Buddha's sayings, and Abhidhamma Pitaka contains Moral psychology. Coming to sects of Buddhism, the first one is known as Hinayana or the lesser vehicle. They believed in the original teachings of Buddha. They believed individual salvation can be achieved through self discipline and meditation. They did not believe in idol worship. They favored Pali language. The Hinayana is known as Southern Buddhist religion because it was spread across Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, and Java. Mahayana or the greater vehicle, they believed in the heavenliness of Buddha. They believed salvation can be achieved through grace and help of Buddha and Bodhisattva. They believed in idol worship. They favored the Sanskrit language. The Mahayana is also known as the Northern Buddhist religion because it was spread across China, Korea, and Japan. Vajrayana, they believed salvation could be attained by acquiring the magical power or Vajra. The chief divinities of this new sect were the Taras. Became popular in eastern India, particularly in Bengal and Bihar. Coming to the Buddhist Council, the first Buddhist council was held in 483 BC, soon after the death of Buddha at Rajagriha under Ajatasattu. Sutta and Vinaya Pitaka was compiled here. The second Buddhist council was held in 383 BC at Vaishali under Kalashoka. The objective was to settle a debate on certain practice of Buddhist monks, especially in Western India division. Third council was held in 250 BC at Pataliputra under Ashoka. Abhidhamma Pitaka was compiled here. Decision to send Buddhist missionary to other countries was taken here. The fourth Buddhist council was held in the 1st century AD at Kashmir under Kanishka. Buddhism divided into Mahayana sect and the Hinayana sect. Coming to reasons for decline, Buddhism succumbed to the same rituals and dogmas which it had originally denounced. The Buddhist monks gave up Pali and took to Sanskrit, the language of few intellectuals. Later, they also practiced large scale idol worship and received numerous offerings from the devotees. The liberal donations to the monasteries gradually declined. Some rich monasteries were specially targeted by the Turkish and other invaders. Coming to Jainism, the Jain tradition has a succession of great teachers or Tirthankaras. There were 24 Tirthankaras, first being Rishabhnath and the last being Mahavira. Historicity of early 22 Tirthankara is ambiguous. We have historical proof of only last two Tirthankara, Parshvanath and Mahavira. Coming to Mahavira, Mahavira was born in 540 BC in a village near Vaishali in Bihar. His father Siddhartha was the head of Yantrika Kshatriya clan. Mahavira was married to Yashoda and had a daughter Anoja Priyadarshini, whose husband Jamali became the first disciple of Mahavira. At the age of 30, he renounced his family and became an ascetic and proceeded in search of truth. At the age of 42, under a sal tree at Jambika Grama on the bank of river Rijupalika, Mahavira attained Kaivalya or supreme knowledge. From now onwards, he was called Kevalin, perfect learned, Jina or Jitendriya, one who conquered his senses, Nrigrantha, free from all bonds, Arhant, the blessed one, Mahavira, the brave. His followers were named Jain. He delivered his first sermon at Pava to his 11 disciples. Later, he founded a Jain Sangha or Jain commune at Pava. At the age of 72 in 468 BC, He passed away at Pavapuri in Bihar. Mahavira rejected the authority of Vedas and Vedic rituals. He did not believe in existence of God. He believed in karma and transmigration of soul. He laid great emphasis on equality. Three Ratna or three gems of Jainism are Samyak Shraddha or right faith, Samyak Gyan or right knowledge, Samyak Karma or right action. Five vows or Pancha Mahavarta of Jainism are Ahimsa, Satya, Astheya, Aparigraha and Brahmacharya. Non-injury, non-lying, non-stealing, non-possession and chastity. The first four vows are laid by Parshvanath and the last one was added by Mahavira. Coming to the sects of Jainism, in 298 BC, there was a serious famine in Magadha or South Bihar. The famine lasted for 12 years. In order to protect themselves, many Jain followers under the leadership of Bhadravahu and Chandragupta Maurya went to Deccan and South India and spread Jainism there. They returned back after the famine. They held that complete nudity is an essential part of the teachings of Mahavira and lived in the same traditional way. However, the monks of Magadha began to put on white clothes. Thus arose the two sects of Jainism, Shvetambaras, white clad, and Digambaras, sky clad. Coming to the Jain Council, the first Jain Council was held in the year 310 BC at Pataliputra under Sulabahu. Compilation of 12 Angas to replace the Purvas was held here. Second council was held in 453 BC at Gujarat. 12 Angas and 12 Upangas were compiled here. Now let's take some questions. Consider the following statements and choose the appropriate options from the answers. Both Buddhism and Jainism are formed by Kshatriyas. Yes, correct. Mahayana Buddhism believed in idol worship while Hinayana does not. Yes, correct. Shvetambaras are naked while Digambaras are white clad. This is wrong. Shvetambaras are white clad while Digambaras are naked. So option A is going to be the correct answer. Next question. Mahavira was born in 6th century at Vaishali, Magadha, Sarnath or none of this. Mahavira was born at Vaishali. So option A is going to be the correct answer. Name the clan Buddha belongs to. Jantrika, Maurya, Sakya or Kuru. Buddha belongs to the Shakya clan. So option C is going to be the correct answer. So that's all for this lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.